To organize notebooks into project folders in NotebookLM, it's important to understand that Google NotebookLM does not currently include a native folder system on its main dashboard. Instead, it displays all notebooks in a flat list without built-in hierarchical organization. Because of this, the most effective way to organize your work is by using a method called virtual folders. This is a native workaround that helps you simulate folder structure using naming conventions and visual grouping. The first method is to use consistent prefixes in your notebook titles. When you name your notebooks, add a bracketed or tagged label at the beginning of each title so they automatically group together alphabetically in the dashboard. For example, you can use names like Client A Project Overview, Client A Research Notes, and Client A Final Summary. This ensures all related notebooks appear next to each other in the list. Another example is using category-based prefixes such as Research 2026 Data Analysis, Research Literature Review, or Research Experiment Logs. This makes it easier to visually scan and identify related notebooks without needing an actual folder system. You can also combine prefixes with version control or stage labels. For instance, Thesis Draft 1, Thesis Methodology, and Thesis Final Revision can help you track progress within a project while keeping everything grouped. To improve organization further, you can rely on sorting by title, since NotebookLM automatically arranges notebooks alphabetically. This means your prefix system directly controls how your notebooks are grouped and displayed. Although NotebookLM does not support drag-and-drop folders or collections, this virtual folder method is currently the most reliable way to structure multiple projects inside the platform. By consistently applying this naming system, you can effectively recreate a folder-like structure that keeps your dashboard clean, organized, and easy to navigate even when managing many notebooks. And that's how you organize notebooks into virtual folders in NotebookLM. Use structured prefixes, keep naming consistent, and let alphabetical sorting create a clean project-based system on your dashboard.